Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your lives. This is your extended love reading. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, you can please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, if you want to ask me anything. Okay, Aquarius, and I will be very happy to help you out. Okay, so this is your general love extended reading. In the main reading, I have already posted it on the YouTube. You can have that look. I have a look on that too. In this reading, I'm going to explain you these cards in an extended manner. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards in an in the extended manner. So I have already done that video, and but some of you maybe have not checked that video. So I'm going to explain you these cards one more time for so that you can understand what is your main energies for today, what are the energies which are coming your way. So Aquarius, you are completing a karmic cycle with a past person, a person with whom you are dealing with. There is a world card, 6 of cups and 5 of swords. You are completing a cycle, a karmic cycle. You are completing with them. There were some conflicts around this person, the 6 of cups, the person from your past. This is also a card of soulmate. So there were some conflicts around them, but you are completing a cycle. That was something going on in your karmic cycles, so you were completing it. But some of you are not feeling good, some of you are feeling very sad, remorse, guilty on fallen cups. Whatever was happening with them, you are not feeling good with that thing. Okay, but don't worry about it, Aquarius, because can you see how beautiful is the next card? The sun card is there. Okay, so new beginnings are there for sure. You do not have to worry about anything. Okay, so new beginnings, the sun card is there, the sun is there. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in life, new beginnings in career is going to happen in your life. The sun card is there, and communication is coming towards you. Can you see the 8 of wands and 10 of cups? Maybe some of you are getting offer, a stable committed offer to achieve this 10 of cups, happy family married life. So you are getting the offers from this 8 of wands. Maybe you are communicating with someone, or you're getting messages. Lots of communication is coming your way, either by WhatsApp or Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, online communication. Lots of messages are exchanging between you and your person to achieve this, to get this offer. You're getting this happy family card, but some of you are feeling restricted. Okay, some of you are feeling stuck in a situation with this 8 of swords. You are feeling stuck in a situation of something. Okay, you are not able to move forward, but you are keeping your strength with yourself. Can you see the strength card is there? So you are keeping your strength, you are putting yourself up, you are gaining your confidence, you are keeping you're moving ahead with lots of strength. This situation needs strength to get out of the situation, and you are you know collecting your strength back. Okay, you're getting your strength back to achieve this ace of cups. Someone is offering you this ace of cups, emotional fulfillment. Can you see? 10 of cups is there and ace of cups is there. They are offering you ace of cups, emotional fulfillment, but you are taking the energy of queen of swords, and there is a king of wands. So someone very passionate is moving towards you. They are full of passion, and they see you someone who is very passionate. This king of wands is very passionate energy towards you, but you are taking the energy of queen of swords. You are ready to cut any lies, any cheating, any manipulative energy around you. You are not in a mood to entertain any deceptive persons or energy in your life, so you are ready to cut them. Any person who is giving you deceptive or lies or cheating or giving you games, you are ready to cut them. But this is a person who is full of passions. Okay, this person is full of passion, and they love passionate things. So they also know you that you will cut them immediately. They see you someone who loves truth. Okay, this queen of swords loves truth, so they see you that that you will cut them immediately if they will going to play with your mind, or if they will going to give you some lies, cheating, manipulation, they know that you will cut them immediately, Aquarius. Why you will cut them immediately? Because in the past they were 10 of swords energy. They were something which were, which were not good in your life in the past. The past person has given you, can you see the 10 of swords? They have put all the swords in your bag, backstabbing, hurt, lots of pain, okay, conflicts. So these cards tell me that in the past they were enough of pain, they were crossing all the limits, they were putting all the swords in your bag, okay. So there were lot of things which was not good in the past. Because of that you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. Now you are not in a mood to entertain any of the lies, cheating, manipulative energy or person around you. Someone is rushing towards you, Aquarius, with the Knight of Swords and Seven of Pentacles. Someone is rushing towards you because they are worrying about their relationship, okay. They don't know whether this relationship is going, and they're coming towards you. Can you see someone is rushing towards you, okay. Knight of Swords, someone is rushing towards you to, because they want to know that whether this relation, where this relationship is going to, they don't know, they are worried about it, okay. And the person is entering is the Queen of Pentacle, okay. The person is Queen of Pentacle. The new person is someone who is financially stable, okay, who is a financially stable person. This is the new person who is coming your way, who is rushing your way, okay. And Wheel of Fortune is there, and there is Star card, and there is Ace of Pentacle, okay. So beautiful energy coming your way, Aquarius. A person who is entering in your life, that person will be financially stable, okay. And the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, the luck is moving in your favor, and they are giving you new hopes and desires. Can you see the Star card? This is you, Aquarius, new hopes and desires. They are giving you new hopes and desires in life, in love, in career, and they are offering you something solid, stable, committed offer. Can you see this Queen of Pentacle is holding a pentacle in hand, and here it is also a hand with the pentacle. So I'm doing your love reading, so I will take it as love. So they are giving you something which is stable, which is committed, which is solid, which you can touch. Something very solid is coming your way, okay. Some solid commitment is coming your way basically from this Queen of Pentacles. But let me explain what are the meaning of these cards in an extended way, so that I can clarify more about you. So let's start your reading, Aquarius. What is the meaning of World card? See, bottom of the deck, I'm again having Six of Cups, and again there is Six of Cups, the past person which you are dealing with, okay. And there is Three of Swords, Two of Wands, and again the Sun card. Can you see both of the decks? I'm getting the Sun card for you, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, wonderful, Aquarius. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, Aquarius. You are completing a karmic cycle with someone from your past, because bottom of the deck I am having again the Six of Cups. I am having Six of Cups, okay. And can you see again the next card is Six of Cups. Six of Cups and Six of Cups. Both of there are there from my deck, okay. So yeah, the person in from your past, the person in the past, the with whom you are dealing with, you are completing a karmic cycle. They were giving you lots of pain, heartaches, maybe they put you in a third party situation, Three of Swords, and now you are deciding, either some of you at the crossroads making a decision. Two of Wands, you are deciding something between two situations, two person. Can you see this girl is holding a wand in the hand and looking at the window? So Two of Wands energy, some of you are at the crossroads making a decision between two situations, because you are getting the Sun. New beginning are coming your way, and you're looking at new things, okay. You are not going in this Three of Swords energy, you are completing this thing, okay, completing a karmic cycle in this. Beautiful. Three of Swords, lots of pain, heartbreaks. Can you see this girl is crying a lot, okay, and the heart is broken badly. Can you see the heart is broken badly and this girl is screaming, shouting a lot. So you are completing that thing and you're getting at the crossroads. You are able to make a decision right now. Maybe some of you are at the crossroads to start something new because the sun card is there. So you're starting something new, Aquarius. The sun card is there. Wow. Let me see. What is the meaning of Six of... Okay. Six of Cups. Justice. Justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. Okay, because you have done something very beautiful. Karmic justice is there. Something with the justice system is there. Okay, so justice is being served in your case. And new entering, see, Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Cup. New romantic cycle is there in your life. Wheel of Fortune and Wheel of Fortune again. Wow, 10 of Swords. Yes, there were some enough of lots of hurts, heartbreaks. Okay, bad things happening were some bad things were happening in your life in the past. But now you are getting justice, Aquarius, from the divine. Okay, you are getting your karmic justice. Let's see what is the Five of Swords. Explain me the meaning of Five of Swords. What is Five of Swords? Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you are happy, single, abundant after this conflicts. After this conflicts, you are single, happy and abundant. Let me see. Wow. See, some of you were not able to sleep in the night because of these conflicts. Nine of Swords and Ten of Swords. Completion. Because of these conflicts, you were not able to sleep in the night. Some of you were having very sleepless nights, lot of sleepless nights you were having in your life, and now you are, because of these conflicts, and now you are single. Some of you are single, happy, abundant, and you have get to know that you are single, happy, abundant, alone in your life. Okay, in your own way you are enjoying your singlehood. Can you see Nine of Pentacle is there? You get to know that you are more happy being single rather than being with someone who is giving you the sleepless nights and conflicts only. You have ready, you have know this thing now. You are enjoying your singlehood now and you are very happy, abundant. 1 minute. Yeah. So yeah, you were very happy. Yeah, right now you are very happy because that conflicts were giving you sleepless nights, and you get to know that you are already happy, alone, single, abundant in every terms. Okay, and yes, you are abundant of everything, Aquarius. Abundant of love, abundant of happiness, abundant of everything. You deserve best and you should get the best. Okay, so let's see what is Five of Cups. Please explain me what is the meaning of Five of Cups. Judgment. That's the judgment done by the divine. Okay, you're getting judgment. What is the meaning of what is the meaning of Five of Cups? Please explain me what is the meaning of Five of Cups. Please explain me the meaning of Five of Cups. Wow. Please explain me what is the meaning of Five of Cups. Yes, you are Aquarius getting, can you see major arcanas in this? You were more focusing on the things which were fallen cups. Can you see? There were something, you were feeling very sad, sorrow on fallen cups. You were more focusing on that, but now the judgment has been made. Either you are making a judgment or this is the divine judgment, and you are praying new hopes and desire. The Star card, again the Star card is there. 2 times there is a Star card. So you are getting new hopes and desire and you're taking a leap of faith. Can you see the Fool card is the major arcanas again. The Fool card is there. You're taking the leap of faith and you're moving ahead, and that's very good, Aquarius, that you are not focusing on fallen cups. Before you were very sad, very remorseful, very guilty, very, you were not happy at all. You were crying a lot. You were taking you were feeling very sad about the things which were happened in the past, but now the judgment has been judgment has been served in your case. Can you see? The judgment is there, and you are getting, what's the judgment? That you are getting the new hopes and desires, and you're taking that leap of faith and you're moving forward. That's beautiful, Aquarius. You should not, never ever, I am telling you, focus on the things which have been passed. Okay, never focus on that energy, and you should focus on the forward direction. And let's see what is the meaning of Sun card. King of Swords. That's what I'm telling you, that now you are going to meet your divine counterpart. Some of you are dealing with the divine counterpart. Yeah, manifestation. The Magician is there. The new person is your divine counterpart. Any other? What is the meaning of Sun card? Please explain me, clarify me. Six of Cups. One more card, please. What is the meaning of Sun? What is the meaning of Sun? Please explain me what is the meaning of Sun. Six of Wands. The new person is obsessed with you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Devil. Moon card. There were some things which were hidden from you. Okay, in the past there were some things which were hidden from you. The Sun card is there. They are manifesting. The Magician, Six of Cups and Six of Wands. Okay, this King of Swords. Okay, this is your match basically. Okay, divine counterpart. So they are manifesting some victory in the life. Okay, the Six of Wands, and they're getting the success. They were hoping for the Sun card. Okay, the Sun card is there. The new beginnings are there. So they are basically manifesting you. Okay, they want to get success, and they're getting success here with the Six of Wands. Okay, either this is you are manifesting something beautiful, and you are getting your divine counterpart. The person is from your past, that is for sure, because there is a Six of Cups again. So the person is from your past, and you're getting success in that. King of Swords is there. Magician, Six of Cups and Six of Wands. They are manifesting you. They are manifesting new beginnings with you, Aquarius. Can you see? King of Swords, Magician and the Sun. They are manifesting new beginnings with you, and they are getting it. The person is from your past, Six of Cups. And this is also a soulmate card. So the person is from your past. Some of you are dealing with this justice system here. Okay, with the Six of Cups. So yes, they are getting success, or you are getting success, recognition, victory in life, in achieving the Sun card. Let's see what is the meaning of. Some of you may be dealing with the Capricorn. That can be a possible, but they are obsessed with you. Let's see. What is the meaning of Eight of Wands? Okay, please explain me what is the meaning of Eight of Wands. Ten of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. Let me see. What is the meaning of Eight of Wands? Please explain me, clarify me, help me out to clarify what is the meaning of Eight of Wands. Page of Wands. Explain me the meaning of Eight of Wands. What is the meaning of Eight of Wands? Yeah, see, Ten of Wands, Ten of Swords, both are there. And it just fallen out. Three of Cups. There were some third party situations. Again, the Five of Cups has fallen out. You were not accepting it, Aquarius. You were more focusing on fallen cups. Okay, you were more focusing on fallen cups. Okay, because that thing give you 10 of swords. Can you see 10 of swords and 10 of swords from the board deck I'm having for you? So there were something which was very toxic, very bad for you, Aquarius, very painful. The things were very painful for you. Okay, and you were not able to move in the forward direction, but the wheel of fortune is coming your way. The communication is coming your way now. The wheel of fortune, again wheel of fortune has come in your reading 2 times again. Wheel of fortune, wheel of fortune. The wheel of fortune is moving in your way, and there is some celebration. Three of cups and page of wands. So you're getting something passionate, a new start, something small maybe, but you are getting your way. Okay, you're getting your communication, your good fortune with you. Let me explain you what is the meaning of 10 of cups. What is the meaning of 10 of cups? Wow. See, yeah, this is the clarification of 10 of cups. 8 of wands, and here it is 8 of wands. That is, they want to start a family with you, Aquarius. They are serious. They want to start a family with you. They want to achieve 10 of cups with you. Can you see? I got this clarification for 10 of cups. So yes, they are 8 of wands, 8 of wands, both from the board deck. And because wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, okay, wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. You were more focusing on the fallen cups because you were very sad. And can you see, this girl is holding a cup from the leg, but she is not looking at the back. The cup is waiting for them. That's very colorful. She wants to hold that cup which is going in this storm, okay, which is flowing out of this. You were more focusing on the things which were happening in your life, the things which had given you only hurt, pain, sorrow, backstabbing, all the bad things. You are more focusing on that thing, but wheel of fortune is coming your way. Communication is coming your way to achieve 10 of cups. Someone is going to offer you 10 of cups for sure. They want to offer you 10 of cups, happy family card. They want to offer you. They want to offer you happy family card. They see you someone with them. They can start a happy married life, happy family, happy life. Okay, they see you something. The offer can be you will get some small offer, some small gift. But it is, and can you see bottom of the deck I'm having King of Pentacles. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. What is the meaning of 8 of swords? What is the meaning of 8 of swords? See, Ace of Pentacles again. You're feeling restricted, you're feeling stuck, but you are getting your offer. Can you see Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles? Bottom of the deck I'm having 4 of swords. Some of you are taking care of yourself, taking care and resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are healing yourself. That's beautiful, Aquarius. And see, that's you. Queen of Pentacles is there. Queen of Pentacles, this is you. You are taking care of yourself. This heart is broken a lot, okay? Can you see there are stitches on the heart? And this is you. You are taking care of yourself. You are protecting yourself. You are resting yourself. You are healing yourself. And that's why you are feeling stuck. You are not able to move in the forward direction. You are not able to take some decision, but some solid offer is your way on your way. 1111 was the recording reading time. So yes, Ace of Pentacles from the both deck. You're getting beautiful offer. Can you see? Someone is offering you a stable offer is your way. They are offering you, Aquarius. Let's see. Let's see what is the meaning of Ace of Cups. Okay. What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Wow. Wow. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups, 10 of Cups, 10 of Cups. Aquarius, they see you someone with whom they can start happily ever after. They see you. Someone sees you have happily after. Okay, they can spend whole life with you happily. They see you someone who with whom they can stay whole life happily ever after. Happy family card. And bottom of the deck, 1212 is the recording time. Knight of Swords, someone is rushing you. That's why I'm saying you Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. So they are rushing towards you to offer you that 10 of Cups. They know your worth. They see you someone with whom they can start their happy family after. Okay, they see you. What is the meaning of Queen of Swords? Seven of Pentacles. What is the meaning of, I'll take it back. What is the meaning of Queen of Swords? Please explain me the meaning of Queen of Swords. Yeah, see, this is you. This is you, Aquarius. You are feeling restricted. Five of Pentacles. You are leaving a situation behind. Maybe some of you are having lots of options. Seven of Cups. You are lots of options to choose. Can you see? This person is looking at the cups and trying to choose which one they want. Okay, and you are in a situation that you are feeling restricted. Can you see? Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords were there here too. Some of you have already got your offer. Okay, that can be a situation that you have already got your offer. And can you see? Eight of Swords and Eight of Swords. This is you. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling restricted in taking a decision. This is you. 1 minute. Okay, this is you. You are feeling stuck in a situation. You are not able to move forward. You are feeling stuck, but you are leaving a situation. Can you see? Five of Pentacles is there. You're moving in a forward direction. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, unable to make a decision, but you are keeping your strength. Again, Strength card is there. You're keeping your strength. And Queen of Wands again. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. This is your divine counterpart. The person who is offering you a offer, okay? A offer. Ace of Pentacles, a stable offer is coming your way, and the person who is offering you this offer is your divine counterpart, okay? Let's see what is the meaning of King of Wands. Please explain me. Please explain me. What is the meaning of King of Wands? Clarify me. What is the meaning of King of Wands? What is the meaning of King of Wands? Why are you so defensive, Aquarius? Why are you so defensive? You are protecting yourself. You are creating an aura around you. Some of you are creating an aura. They want to give you something very beautiful. Can you see? This is them. They want to give you Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take. And this is Ace of Wands. A new passionate beginning. And this is King of Wands. They want to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, equal amount of give and take. They say they are giving you some passionate new beginning. Ace of Wands is there. And this is King of Wands. So they want to give you something which is very good, but you are saying, some of you are saying no. You are protecting yourself. You are being guarded. You are being very defensive. Okay, can you see? Seven of Wands. This girl is saying that this girl has make a circle around them, and they're saying no. Don't be defensive, Aquarius, for this person. This person is very good for you, and they want to offer you Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take. They see you something very passionate. You ignite their passion, okay, and they want to offer you this passionate new beginning. Ace of Wands is there. Why are you very okay, let's see. What is the meaning of Ten of Swords? Please explain me what is the meaning of Ten of Swords. What is the meaning of Ten of Swords? Yeah, some of you are not in a mood to accept the cup. Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Cups. Some of you are not ready to accept this cups. Before that, you are taking the energy of Seven of Wands. So you are being guarded, you are being very self-defensive, and you are not ready to accept this cup. You're saying no. Can you see? Don't be in this energy, Aquarius, okay? Because whatever has happened in the past, you are moving towards calmer waters, okay? You are moving towards a calmer water. Six of Swords, okay? Six of Swords, you are moving towards the calmer waters, and there is a twin flame soulmate around you, a divine counterpart. Two of Cups, who wants to give you, Aquarius, equal amount of give and take. Two of Cups is there, okay? Beautiful energy is there around you. Try to see them, okay? Maybe some of you are getting a Page of Pentacle is a small start, a small offer from them, but you are getting a offer for sure, okay? So don't be in this energy, okay? Don't be in this energy. Don't be in this energy. Don't feel stuck. Don't say no. Give them a chance. Let's see what is Knight of Swords. What is the meaning of Knight of Swords? Wow. Wow. I don't think I need to explain this. This is the person of King of Wands. Again, the person, this is King of Wands who is rushing towards you. This person is rushing towards you. Can you see? King of Wands, King of Wands. So they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They are rushing towards you. This King of Wands is rushing towards you. Let's see what is the meaning of Seven of Pentacles. What is the meaning of Seven of Pentacles? Okay, the Moon. What is the meaning of Seven of Pentacles? What is the meaning of Seven of Pentacles? Eight of Cups. What is the meaning of bottom of the deck? I'm having the Empress. I am having the Empress, Aquarius. This is you again. You are someone who is very mothering, caring, nurturing. Can you see? So you are someone who is very mothering, caring energy, and you were very worried because you have put lots of efforts in that situation in the past. In the past relationships, there were some relationships around you in the past. With them, you have put lots of efforts in that, and you were getting back this only. The Moon, Eight of Cups, and the Devil. So you were putting lots of efforts in the past, Aquarius. In that relationships, there were secrets, there were toxicity, the Devil was there, or some of you may be dealing with the Capricorn. That can be a situation. Okay, there were some secrets, hidden secrets from you. Okay, which later on you get to know, and there were some toxicity, devil energy around you, but you are leaving that situation back behind, Aquarius. Okay, can you see this girl is walking away in search of Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. You are leaving them behind. That's why you are worried. Okay, the Eight of Cups, you are leaving them behind. Lies, cheating, secrets, manipulation, devil energy. You are moving from this energy because you were worrying a lot. You were putting lots of efforts in these situations. Okay, but you were putting lot of efforts in a wrong relationship, Aquarius. Okay, and that you get to know, and you are moving away from that thing. Okay, why you are getting away from that thing? Because you are using your intuitions. You are guided by intuitions. Aquarius are highly intuitive persons, and you are walking away. You're leaving them behind, and you are walking away from that energy. That's beautiful. That you finally get to know that you are putting wrong efforts or energy in wrong direction. Because in that relation, you were getting only toxicity and the lies. and cheating on secrets. Moon is all about secrets, hidden truths. Okay, so there were some things which were not good for you and you are leaving them behind by using your intuitions, and that's very good. That's very good. You're moving in forward by leaving that situations behind. Let's see what is the meaning of Queen of Pentacle. What is the meaning of Queen of Pentacle? Please clarify what is the meaning of Queen of Pentacle. Wow, World card. This is you. This is you. You're completing a cycle. What is the meaning of Queen of Pentacle? What is the meaning of Queen of Pentacle? This is you. World card and the World card. 2 times I'm getting the World card. This is you, Queen of Pentacles. You are completing a karmic cycle, Aquarius. And now some of you are feeling like an hangman. Okay? You are feeling like an hangman. But the best part is that you are taking the energy of hermit. You're doing your soul searching. You are seeking answers from within yourself. You're not looking answers from others. You're looking answers from within your soul. You're asking your soul that what is the thing my soul wants. And can you see there is a light here and there is a light here. Maybe you are feeling like an hangman, feeling like an hang in a situation, but you are doing your inner work. Okay, you are more focusing on what your soul wants. That's very good. And you are completing a cycle. This is you, Queen of Pentacles. This is you, someone who is very financially very stable. Okay, let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. What is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune? Knight of Wands. What is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune? What is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune? 4 of Pentacles. What is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune? Please explain me what is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune. 4 of Wands. Bottom of the deck I am having King of Cups and Knight of Cups. Let's see what is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune. What is the meaning of Wheel of Fortune? Wow. And it just fallen out. And I don't read reversals, Aquarius. Chariot and the Lovers. Finally, you are meeting your soulmate. Yeah. Ace of Cups again. Ace of Cups is there 2 times in your reading again. Let me get it for you. Where is your Ace of Cups? Here it is. Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Cups. So that's the Wheel of Fortune, Aquarius. This is the Wheel of Fortune. You're getting your emotional fulfillment. You're getting your emotional fulfillment basically. Okay, emotions, a cup full of emotions. You're getting that thing in your life. And these were the things which I was getting. Maybe some of you were holding so back. You were holding back from someone who was the player. Okay, Knight of Wands is someone who is a player kind of thing. They will come in your life, they will play with your emotions, and they will go away, they will ghost you. Okay, this 1 minute, let me adjust myself. Sorry. Okay, so they will come in your life, they will play with you, and they will ghost you, and they will vanish. Okay, so from them you are holding back. Can you see? You are saying no more emotional games. I will hold myself back. I'm not going to open up. Can you see? You're protecting yourself. You are holding back from this Knight of Wands energy, and that's why the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and you are rising as a chariot. You're rising as a chariot because now you're moving forward in a forward direction. Now you know what is right and what is wrong in your life. Okay, you know the difference between black and white. Okay, and you are getting your twin flame, Aquarius. Again, I'm saying you're getting your divine counterpart entering in your life. Some of you have not entered yet. Some of you have not met yet, so soon you are going to meet your divine counterpart. Four of Wands is a confirmation of divine counterpart, and there is a lovers here too. How beautiful it is. Can you see? The divine is sending you your divine counterpart because you are holding back from the player. You are holding back, you back from this player energy. That's why Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, universe tries to test you whether you learn your karmic lesson or not. If you have not learned your lesson, if you are not learn your lesson, they will keep repeating that lessons again and again in your life. But now you have learned your lessons. Now you have maintaining a distance from this player energy. Okay, that's why they are sending you this. That's why you are rising as a chariot. They are sending you beautiful energy in your life. Four of Wands and the lovers. Now you deserve this divine counterpart, and you are getting your divine counterpart, Aquarius. And beautiful. Let's see. What is the meaning of star? Please explain me the meaning of star. What is the meaning of star? Knight of Swords and Temperance. Okay, what is the meaning of star? What is the meaning of star? What is the meaning of star? Please explain me the meaning of star. Explain me the meaning of star. What is the meaning of star? Queen of Swords. See, this is you. You're getting your Queen of Swords. Okay, you are getting your new hopes and desires in your life. Queen of Swords and Queen of Swords. So this is you, Aquarius. You are getting, and star cards also belongs to you. Okay, so you are my lovely Aquarius. You are the star. You give new hopes and desires to other people. So why not yourself? Okay, and you are getting the star. The Aquarius means new hopes, desires. Wherever you go, you give new hopes and desires. And you are getting new hopes and desires. And what new hopes and desires you are getting, Aquarius? Okay, someone is rushing towards you, Knight of Swords. And here also I'm getting Knight of Swords for you. This is the King of Wands. Okay, this new person is rushing towards you, Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. So they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They were keeping patience before, Temperance. But now they were keeping patience, but now they are rushing towards you. Temperance is there. So they were keeping temperance, patience with themselves, but now some of you can be deal with Sagittarius. Okay, so Knight of Swords is air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Okay, so some of you are getting your offer. Someone is rushing towards you. Now they are not keeping their patience. Okay, but in the past they were keeping the patience. Okay, Page of Cups and Three of Pentacles. They want something to start with you. Teamwork, collaboration, Page of Cups. Again, a small cup offer, apology, sorry. Okay. Can you see this man is thinking, and the man is thinking about the heart. Okay. Can you see the heart? So they are going to offer you, Aquarius. They're missing that other half of themselves, and they are rushing towards you to collaborate with you, to join with you. Okay, they are coming your way. Let's see what is the meaning of Ace of Pentacles. What stable solid offer you are getting? Let me adjust my cards first. Let's see what is the meaning of Ace of Pentacles. Let's see. What is the meaning of Ace of Pentacles? Ten of Wands. What is the meaning of Ace of Pentacles? Please explain me what is the meaning of Ace of Pentacles. Explain me the meaning of Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Wow. There were lots of burden you were carrying on your back. Ten of Wands. Can you see this girl is moving? Lots of burdens, lot of baggages with them. You were carrying lots of burdens on yourself. But now it's over because the divine has intervened in your situation. Tower card. And what is your Ace of Pentacles means? Ace of Cups. Again, Ace of Cups has come. This is your stable offer. This is the meaning of Ace of Pentacles. You are getting your emotional fulfillment. Divine has intervened in your situations because you are unable to see, unable to decide. Can you see Two of Swords is there at the bottom of the deck? So yes, divine has entered up in your life. The Tower card has come in your reading. Divine has intervened there. Some things are shaking up in your life, okay, and the divine is offering you Ace of Cups, and you deserve it, Aquarius. You deserve it. That's the Ace of Pentacles. You are getting your Ace of Pentacles. What is wish fulfillment? What is the universe what is the universe advice? What is the universe advice for you? What is the advice from the universe? Please give me advice from the universe. Please give me advice from the universe. Wow. You were working so hard, Aquarius. The 3 cards has fallen out for you. 9 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. So you are working so hard. Can you see 8 of Pentacles? You are putting so hard work to achieve your wish fulfillment, 9 of Cups. And you are getting it, Aquarius. Can you see bottom of the deck? I'm having Queen of Pentacles again. So this is you. This is the advice from the universe, that you were working so hard, my lovely Aquarius, to achieve your 9 of Cups, your wish fulfillment, to achieve this love in your life. Okay, and you are getting it. Okay, Knight of Cup is there. The person is entering in your life to give you some love in your life. The person is there who is holding the roses in the hand, and this person is your wish fulfillment, because you are working so hard to achieve this 9 of Cups. That's the advice from the universe. Okay, so this was your extended love reading. I hope it resonates with you, and let's summarize one more time so that I can tell you that you are getting lots of things, okay, from the both of the deck, and that's very beautiful. You always get the same messages from my both deck. So you're getting Aquarius Sun from the both deck. Let's summarize your reading. Okay, the Sun card is there from both of the deck. Okay, and the World card is there. Lots of cards are there on my deck. Okay, let me see. The World card is there from both of the deck. So you are completing a karmic cycle for sure. So completion of a cycle is there. You're completing a cycle and starting a new cycle with someone. Okay, so there is 10 of Cups and 10 of Cups again from both of the deck. I'm getting 10 of Cups for you. Beautiful, Aquarius. That's a double confirmation from my side. Okay, Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles from both of the deck. So you are getting something very beautiful, Aquarius, from both of the deck. Okay, you're getting Star, and the Star was there here too. 1 minute, I will take another card. You're getting Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups from both of the deck. Okay, so you are finally getting your emotional fulfillment in your life. Okay, Ace of Cups is there from both of my deck. Wheel of Fortune and Wheel of Fortune is there from both of the deck. Again, I will tell you this. Okay, Wheel of Fortune and Wheel of Fortune from both of the deck. Double confirmation from my side that wheel is moving in your favor. Okay, you do not have to worry about it. 6 of Cups and 6 of Cups. The person is from your past. Okay, maybe they are 2 person from your past, but 6 of Cups is your soulmate energy. Okay, so 6 of Cups and 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups and 6 of Cups. Okay, the person from your past, okay, or the soulmate. This is the soulmate card. So you're getting your soulmate. Okay, and there is beautiful energy around you. Equal amount of give and take. Ace of Wands, passionate new beginning, and the Star. Okay, you're getting beautiful energies. 6 of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Star is there in your life. Okay, Tower card has happened in your life. Divine has intervened in your situation so that you can move forward. Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. Some of you are being stuck in a situation, not able to move forward. Okay, feeling restricted from something, not able to move forward, but now you are keeping your strength back and you are moving forward. You are definitely coming towards a calmer waters, Aquarius. Okay, one more thing. I'm getting the star from both of the deck. Star is the double confirmation from both of my deck. So definitely you're getting new hopes and desires in your life, Aquarius. You're keeping your strength with you, and that's very beautiful. Judgment has been made in your case, either by yourself or justice and judgment, both are there. So either by yourself or by the divine. Justice has been served in your case by the divine, and judgment has been made by the divine, or some of you are making a judgment in your life. Okay, and you're getting beautiful energies. You're getting your success, victory. Communication is coming towards you with this 8 of Wands. Lots of communication is coming towards you. Okay, and there is Ace of 4 of Wands, Lovers, and 2 of Cups. Beautiful. Soulmate energy. Yeah, soulmate energy for sure. Okay, so you're getting 2 of Cups, Lovers, and 4 of Wands. Again, a soulmate energy around you. Please see carefully. There is an energy. If it is not there, so soon it's going to enter in your life. The Lovers, the 2 of Cups, and 4 of Wands is there. Okay, some divine counterpart is coming in your way, in your life. It's entering in your life. If it's not entered yet, but some of you, Aquarius, are already having your divine counterpart in your life. Okay, so there is a divine counterpart for sure in your life. Don't be in this situation of 5 of Cups, and don't be so self-defend. Don't guard yourself too much. Okay, protect your energy, but don't be so defensive. Okay, and don't be in an energy of 5 of Cups. Don't focus on fallen cups. Move ahead, Aquarius. And the person you are currently dealing with is the King of Wands, a person who is having lot of passions, a passion for you. Okay, person full of passion. Okay, so lot of passion is there for you, Aquarius, from this person's side, and they themselves are very passionate. So that's the thing. These were the messages for you, and you are completing a cycle because you are having 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands. Both are there. 10 of Swords, 10 of Swords from my both deck. 10 of Swords, 10 of Swords, 10 of Wands. So definitely you are completing a karmic cycle because there were enough of everything. Okay, you're carrying lots of boats, lots of burdens, lots of loads. Magician is there. Okay, Knight of Swords is there from both of that. Someone is rushing towards you. Can you see Knight of Swords and Knight of Swords from my both deck? And there is a pair here, King of Swords and Queen of Swords, air energy. Okay, so there is a pair here, divine counterpart is here in your life with whom you are dealing with. There is a pair, King and Queen of Swords. You both are at the same page. You are the match. Okay, so this was your reading, Aquarius. This was your extended love reading. I hope it resonates with you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, till the time, you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius, and sending you lots of love, life and happiness in your life. Okay, see you soon, Aquarius.